We have a lot of animals around the farm, and with that comes a lot of fur. So today we're getting on top of the fur and cleaning our house with our new cordless vacuum from Moosoo. Inside the box you have your manual, an extension tube, a 2-in-1 brush to clean those hard to reach places, a wall mount, a cleaning brush, a motorized LED floor brush that's perfect for all surfaces. It comes with a 2200 mAh battery, capable of running for 35 minutes. It also comes with a 120 watt brushless motor that's complete with HEPA filter, washable filter, and cyclonic filtration system. This removes up to 99.99% of microscopic dust particles as small as 0.1 microns. It has a large dustbin that has plenty of room to store your dirt, pet hair, and other keepsakes. It comes with a replacement HEPA filter, a charger, and that's it. It comes with everything you need to clean your house and keep it looking great. It easily snaps together and has a quick release button to change out parts. They made it really simple to do, and it gives you the freedom to clean in just about any situation. This vacuum has everything, and in my opinion, it looks really nice. It has a clean design, and I like the blue accents. I charged it up and brought it into my furry household to give it a proper test. The first thing I noticed is that the floor brush has a huge cleaning radius. It could swivel back and forth, fitting into those hard to reach places so easily. My normal vacuum couldn't reach any of these places, and I'd have to switch it over and set up those annoying hose features to clean in these spaces. With this vacuum, you can fit into most areas without having to switch anything. And if you want to, you can just click the button, pop off the floor brush, and switch to the 2-in-1 brush tool to clean crevices and other tight areas. It's so lightweight and portable that you'll be finding yourself cleaning just about anything. This vacuum also has a bright LED that makes it easy to see dust, and it allows you to vacuum at night. We have huskies and the fur weaves into everything. You need a really high-powered vacuum to get everything, especially on the carpet. This vacuum does a pretty good job. Considering it's cordless, I'm really happy. It works perfectly on the hard floor, and it does a great job on the carpet. We still use our corded vacuum to deep clean our carpets and get more of the husky fur, but I use it much less now. I use this little guy multiple times a day, and I use it to keep up with the fur and keep the house a little cleaner. I can't stand having to vacuum around a cable. Being attached to the wall, tripping over the cable, and trying to avoid hitting the cable with the vacuum is a hassle. This vacuum makes it so I don't have to worry about any of that. Since it's so easy to use, I find myself vacuuming more frequently. It's cut down on the dust and helped keep our house cleaner. I find that I'm even breathing easier thanks to the HEPA filter and the cleaner house. I filled this canister up so many times now and continue to donate the husky fur to the birds to keep them warm through winter. This is an awesome little vacuum that can fit into those hard to reach places. It's plenty strong, has backup parts, and has no problem fitting into tight areas that you would normally ignore. So if you want to ditch your old bulky vacuum or just want some extra help keeping up with the fur in the household, this vacuum is perfect. If you'd like to get one for yourself, the link can be found in the description below. Till next time, I've got some dirty crevices to clean. See ya!